Okay. Oh, my first video back. Anyways, my name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today I'm going to do just a couple unboxings. I bought a couple of solar things, so oh goodness. First video back. Wow, what do I even say? I don't even know. I just want to let you know that my mother died on March 7th, so by the time you see this video, it'll probably be April 15th. This next weekend is when I plan on starting to post again. So I'm just going to probably dedicate all of the April videos to my mother because she really liked this channel and she really enjoyed watching all these videos. So I think I'm just going to dedicate the entire month of April to her because also her birthday is April 21st. So she would have been 61. So, okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna be doing a couple of unboxings. I bought a couple of new solar lanterns. So I don't know if you can see this here, kind of see that. So they're just new solar lanterns and I'm really excited to try these out tonight actually. So I'm probably gonna film it tonight so that you can see what they look like in the dark and how they light up the campsite because it looks pretty cool on the internet and whatnot. So I bought these off of Amazon, so let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start off with the LED, the solar strings here. They're just called the Solar Fairy String Lights Outdoor Waterproof, 72 feet. So I bought these for camping just because they were only like $15, I believe is what I bought them for off of Amazon. So they seem pretty neat. They come in this neat little box. So let's just go ahead and open them up, see what it comes with. First of all, our instructions. We don't need those because we know how to put together solar string lights. Wow, there are a lot of lights. These are cool. So these are called fairy lights. They're just, they're not like the typical LED like Christmas lights, you know, instead they're just called fairy lights. Cool. Wow, there's a lot of lights. And then here's a little solar panel. I don't know if you can see that there. The solar panel looks pretty neat though. It's just kind of a 4-panel solar, just a mini solar panel. And it looks like it comes with a little thing. So let's see if we can put this together. It looks like you can stake it in the ground and then it'll, you know, stand upright, or you can kind of change the direction so that it charges the solar lights during the day. And it's got a little screw on the back too, so you can tighten it and make sure it doesn't move while it's charging the lights. So it's pretty nice actually. Let's see here. So it's just got like an on-off mode button, an on-off button on the back, and then there's a mode. I'm not sure what the mode does. Maybe we do need the instructions. Yeah, it just says be sure to get the perfect angle and operation. That's it. Mode switch on the bottom. Oh, different flashing styles. So we'll have to see that tonight. It looks like there's going to be different flashing styles, and it actually comes with a lot of lights, so I'm pretty impressed with this. Unfortunately, it doesn't contain any extra lights. All you get are just these little caps for the screws for this, and then that is it for the stake, I believe. Yep, and then so that's if you want to, so you can actually mount this box instead to like the side of your house, so that, and you can just screw it into the side of your house. That way you can get the most, you can aim it in the correct direction so that it gets the most sunlight. So, all right, cool. This is a pretty neat little thing actually. I like it. And then let's see here. It looks like you get a bunch of lights. Unfortunately, they don't give you any extra lights. You know, you just get this little green thing. So, whatever. I'm not too happy about that, but you know. So, and then it looks like you can also charge it via a DC. Yeah, you can. So you can charge it via USB via this. So it comes with a little DC thing. You just plug this into the side here. Wait. What? Okay. Well, maybe you can't. Well, that's interesting. So it came with this. This is like a little USB, but as you can see, this DC plug right here, I don't know if you can see that. I'll bring it closer. Hold on. All right, so as you can see, it comes with a little DC flap here. See that? How it comes out? And then you're supposed to be able to plug this in. But this does not go in there. It's like it fell in. See how it's just loose like that? It doesn't fit, so I don't know, whatever. So it comes with the USB, but I can't actually use it, and you can't really hear it if it's just stuck. It's just an empty hole. I don't know if you could see that there. It's pretty ridiculous though. Oh well. So, you know, when you buy something for $15, don't expect too much. All right, cool. So I'm actually pretty excited to use this because these lights are really nice, and I feel like I can just wrap them around. I plan on wrapping them around this table especially. And even though it's gonna, you know, it'll probably get a little windy, it'll still be pretty neat actually to use these at night. So I don't really want the different flashing styles. I'm kind of upset over this DC plug though. It looks like you should be able to plug it in, but this is some type of cheap knockoff. It doesn't stick, and there's no entry plug in there, so I don't know why they included this at all. I don't know why they included that at all. So but I'm just going to use it for the stake actually. So you just press the stake in, and then you can just stake it in the ground. So when I'm camping, I'll just kind of aim it, you know, in the right direction. So that's pretty neat. And it looks like these do disconnect. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if this is the charging. No. So this is a 2-prong charging plug, and these don't fit together. So I don't know why they included this if it doesn't fit. It even says here DC 5 volt here, but it's very clearly just a plastic piece. There's no receptacle on this side. I don't know if you can see that there. You see that? Oh well. No, there's nothing, there's no receiver part, and there's no metal piece in there. It's just plastic all the way through. So, but I hope there's a battery in there. I mean, that would be really stupid if they sent me one that doesn't work. So whatever. So, but these are really nice. You see how many lights you have? So they're pretty serious about the number of lights, but they seem pretty cheap. So I'm going to go ahead and stake this out, and we're going to see if it works actually. Well, these seem to work great. Look at all these. So I was reading somewhere where the battery only lasts like 10 seconds. So we can try and time it a little bit to see how long it takes for these lights to go out. But so far, they're all very uniform in size and shape, and they're pretty neat. I just kind of threw them up there haphazardly too. So this is actually my canopy. There. So I have a light on it now, and you can see the canopy, the inside of it, how it only goes halfway. See? But it looks pretty neat. Alright, cool. Something already that I figured out with the fairy lights is that they go off if the solar panel touches, or if you do it like a weird way. So the solar lights are pretty touchy, not gonna lie. So okay, cool. So I just thought I'd do a little unboxing of this 200 LED solar string lights, and it does seem like you get 200 of them. I mean, look at all these. That's ridiculous, but it's really cool. So okay, go ahead and like up this video if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit the subscribe button below, or go ahead and like my Facebook page. It's on Jillian Camps, Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and a quick PSA, be sure to wear sunscreen in Arizona. I am like sunburned ridiculously, so I waited a couple days in order to do this first video, but I'm still pretty sunburned. You can see kind of on my face.